events, sa lahat ng partnerships mo, and of course the movies that you do know. But we all know, of course, that you're exposed to so many skincare products all around the world, di ba? And yet, ang dala mo pa rin wherever you go, mapa-Europe, mapa-America, is SCD. What makes it different from everything else that you've seen around the world? And how proud are you whenever you go out of the Philippines, as people would ask you what your skincare routine is, and masasabi mo, Filipino yung brand na dala mo?
I remember when Miss Gracie and I were talking, she told me herself na siya mismo ang sumusubok every time na every time they have it made, yung product, it's her ano ba yung formula ingredients? Naging pagkain. It's her formulation talaga. And she said that ilang beses niya yan ito-test before she releases the product. And so more than anything, it's basically trust. Trust is number one talaga when using a brand. And so, I've always believed in Miss Gracie kasi nga, hindi naman siya maglalabas ng isang produkto na that she can't vouch for. And so, ever since then, I was like, oh, now I trust Miss Gracie and I will use it. And then I fell in love with the products. So, I think more than anything, it's the trust. And pag subok mo na, parang ayaw mo nang if perfect na for you don't want to try something else. You know that feeling? Kasi nakakatakot because your skin talaga is something that you will carry your whole life. So, yeah, that for me is the most important. It's trust.
And also the part where you bring Filipino brand.
It's very important to me, especially now. Actually, I have this extra love for Filipino brands. I just finished filming this movie, Guilty Pleasure, and our director is Connie Macatuno, who's very she would like to showcase Filipino brands and Filipino clothes designs. So parang I want to bring that even more. And SCD is one for sure because it's a Filipino brand, and I would like to share it to my friends who are living abroad, and hopefully I would love them to try it.
And another one of the things that sets you apart in terms of beauty sa industry natin is of course your color. Diba? You never really want to, do whitening and all of that, but you've been able to maintain such a beautiful kayumanggi na complexion. How does that work in sa SCD routine?
Actually, I'm very grateful because you know what they always say na parang we always have these beliefs that you have to be a certain skin color. But what I love about SCD is the fact that they took me in and considered me as family, as someone who believes in just making yourself feel beautiful through. It doesn't have to be technically about skin color only. So that's what I'm really most happy about, is because it's like you can be beautiful whatever color you are, and all you have to do is just do your best to nourish your skin. Make sure that you're at your best. So that's what I love about it.
Thank you, Lovey, and again, congratulations. And team po, ma'am. Salamat po.
Thank you.
Yan, mamaya bibili na si Tessa. O gagamitin rin niya. Pero good news, meron tayong mga ibibigay, di ba? Para sa press, vloggers, TV crew, yan. Pero eto, maarte din itong babaeng to, pero mukhang gusto niya rin talagang i-try ang SCD. Ay, hindi ka, Salve. O, maarte yung ibang tuturo. Hindi, pero si Salve, yan.
Hi, Lavi. Aside from yung Guilty Pleasure, ano mga project mo pa nakalaan?
Well, after Guilty Pleasure, we're gonna shoot the movie actually next month na that I'm producing naman. So the moment na I complete na yung cast na lumipad dito, wow, I will hopefully get to invite you guys so that we can have a discussion about the next project. But hindi ko pa siya pwede talaga i-divulge because I want to keep it muna until we start filming. But yeah, it's gonna be a film with Gerald Darroch, so abangan niyo yan. And of course, I have another one that I'm gonna shoot din po soon with Richard Somes. Ito naman yung finally gagawin ko na yung action. So, dun excited na ako.
Okay, yan. Okay sa'yo, Samuel. Ako hindi ka na invited sa announcement. Out na kita doon. Pero eto, magtatanong si Miss Janice Navida. Yan. Oh, asa background music na Purple. Okay.
Hi. Good afternoon, Lovey. Hello. Ma'am. Oo, yung first question ko, Lovey. Kasi morena ka, pero alam naman natin, kapag nag-display ka ng katawan mo sa social media, walang mga chismis. Kaya ang dami talagang naiinggit na ang bongga ni Lovey. So, how do you keep your skin flawless despite having a morena color?
Well, I think yun na yung importante is self-care. Self-care is important. Ako kahit puyat ako, or maaga ako kailangan pumunta sa work, talagang hindi ko pababayaan yung skin ko. Kaya, like what I was saying, especially before I got married, before the wedding day, ang dami-dami ko, ang dami-dami kong ritual na kailangan ko gawin. And I think that's what's important, diba? Aside from the food that we eat, it's also what we put on our skin. So, I would like to say a holistic approach. Important din sa akin mag-workout, because nakaka-detox din siya ng skin when you sweat. And also, of course, what you put sa body and what you eat. So, talagang, it's a whole routine on a daily basis. Pero hindi ko sinasabi na hindi ako nagkakaroon ako ng moments where I eat a lot of junk food and everything. Pero babawi din ako. And of course, may moments that I miss out, pero babawi pa din ako. Yes.
Okay, pero can you share with us your rituals? Kasi sabi mo may mga ritual ka talaga, di ba?
Yes.
At saka vain ka ba talaga? Kahit nung younger years?
No! Wala, hindi ako marunong I didn't know how to take care of myself when I was younger. I mean, they would know. My team would know. Pero syempre, as you grow older, nagmamature ka, nag-iiba na yung priorities mo. Suddenly, you realize na, oh my God, sunscreen is so important. Number one, as in like, syempre, sana nga maaga ko na-realize, pero medyo, but it's never too late. But sunscreen is the most important thing ever. Kasi nga, hindi natin alam how harmful it can be for us. May certain time pa nga yan, di ba, Ms. Gracie, na every time, like for example, 30 minutes before you expose yourself, that's when you have to prepare na to put sunscreen. And even when you're indoors, you should be putting sunscreen pa rin because of the UV rays and so many aspects. And alam ko, mayroong mga time from 10 o'clock to 3. Yun yung mga critical times. So ang dami mga ganong aspects. So I try to keep those things in mind, especially when I'm on set. It's so important that I always retouch my sunscreen. I actually use the gel one when I'm on set. Yeah, sunblock cream gel. This is the one that I use every time I'm on set kasi nga mabilis siyang ipatong sa makeup. And you can just it's very hydrating, so that's what I use. And when I have shoots, I also have a secret. Share ko na nga. Ito yan. Yes, the sunblock lotion that has makeup tinted. This is the one. Ito na yung secret to para walang chismis. Sunblock lotion with makeup. So this is definitely something that I use when I have a photo shoot and I'm wearing a bikini. So, guys, you should try this one. Actually, ang dami yung dapat i-try. Yeah.
So, Lovey, anong pinaka-favorite mo sa lahat ng yan? Na feeling mo pag yun ang ginamit mo, parang talagang napaka-attractive mo sa iyong husband?
Oh my God. It's so hard to say kasi, okay, siguro ito yung kasi I use every day talaga. I use the Kojic soap talaga. On a daily basis. This is the one, yes. Kojic Girl. This is the one that I use on a daily basis when I shower. So parang sometimes kasi, let's be honest, pag nagmamadali, I miss out on a few things, on a few steps, but then, if there's one thing that's for sure, I shower every day. So this is definitely something na hindi ko na-miss. Yeah. Okay. Yes, this is my favorite. But of course, ang dami rin kasi na set eh. Yung Diyosa na Aki said, this is what I needed at some point when I was breaking out. Super helped me out.
Teka, last na lang, June. Ito na lang. Kasi since renewal ng contract ko, kasama ba, Lovie, sa contract na bawal ka pang magbuntis? Or hindi naman?
Sabi ko, I don't know, kasama ba? Sabi ko daw.
Oo. So
Okay daw.
anytime naman ready ka na to get pregnant?
I wanna, siguro, I have so many projects, movies lined up. But you know, if it happens, it happens. And I will welcome it completely. It's gonna be a blessing. But right now, talaga, I'm still enjoying this part of life, working, and of course, I want to spend more time with my husband since we're always apart. So, lilipad muna siya dito, and so we'll enjoy first and work and see how things go.
Okay. Congratulations,
Thank
Lovie.
you so much.